How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix and get the Meta AI option on your WhatsApp account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix this problem, the very first thing that you need to do, simply go and open up the Play Store from your device, and from the home page go ahead and search for WhatsApp. And once you have searched for WhatsApp, simply go ahead and tap on WhatsApp right over here, and if you find any pending update, go ahead and update your WhatsApp first. And once you have updated, just get back from here and open up the WhatsApp from your device. And from the WhatsApp homepage, go ahead and tap on this three-dot line at the top right and tap on settings. And under the settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get to see the help. You just need to tap on this one and tap on help center. And from the list, you just need to search for Meta AI right over here. So I'm going to search for Meta AI. And you'll get to see the second option, how to start a chat with AIs from Meta. So I'm going to tap on this one and tap on contact us at the bottom right here, and this will actually give you the option to describe your problems. So I'm going to describe my problem right over here, and here you'll get to see I have described my problem. So you can describe the similarly that I've shown right over here, and once you're done, you just need to tap on next and tap on send my question to the WhatsApp support, and this report will be sent to the WhatsApp support. He'll get to see I've got a message right over here, and you have to wait 24 hours in order to get the feedback from the WhatsApp team, and most likely you will be able to get the Meta AI on your WhatsApp account. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you up in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.